Good morning, students. Today we are going to see how do you enter text by or entering text in MS Word. How can you edit the text in MS Word? That is given on page number 26, chapter number 3, MS Word. There are three methods to enter or edit the text. First method, that is Control A, shortcut key, combination keys, shortcut key you can say, or even combination keys. You have to just enter the document, type from the keyboard. I have just typed the different keys. You can see I have typed shortcut keys or combination keys on the document. Okay. Now this is called as the entering of different keys, different keys of the keyboards into the document. अभी मैंने जितने भी कीज टाइप की है आपने देखा कि वो जैसे जैसे मैं कीज टाइप करते जा रहा हूँ वैसे वैसे वो वर्ड okay, मैंने डिलीट किया. I press the delete key, backspace key, and the whole text is deleted. And again I type word is a simple word I have typed on the document with the help of keys, different keys of the keyboard. This is called as the entering text into the Word document. Okay, so you have to take help of keyboards. Now let's see the shortcut keys for this. For example, you want to first method, that is Control A. Some methods, only one method they have given in the textbook, dragging and dropping. I'm additionally telling you the two extra methods, Control A and Shift arrow keys. Only they have given only dragging and dropping method in textbook. Okay, so Control A. First you have to press the Control and then A, because it is a combination key, shortcut key. Control A, it will select whole text like this. Okay, if I want to select a particular text, Control A means selection of all text. Once again, I repeat, Control A, selection of all text. Second method, that is Shift arrow key. You just select a particular word. For example, shortcut keys. I have double click on the shortcut keys. Okay, and just press Shift, hold down the Shift and arrow keys at the same time. Simultaneously, you have to press Control A. Simultaneously, you have to press Shift and arrow keys. Okay. Second method, Shift plus arrow keys, combination keys. Shift arrow keys. Right now I'm pressing right arrow keys. Again down arrow keys. Okay, in this way, with the help of Shift and arrow keys, you can move, you can select the text from left to right, from top to bottom, or again from right to left. Get this, right to left. Now I'm using a left arrow keys, Shift plus left arrow keys, up arrow keys, like this. So this is second method to select the text with the help of Shift plus arrow keys. Third method, that is dragging and dropping. In dragging and dropping method, you have to first select, double click on the text. Okay, like this. With the help of mouse, double click on the particular text and then press, just hold down the left mouse arrow key. You can see this is called as a dragging and dropping. First we have dragged, we have hold the left mouse button of the mouse and we have just dragged it, means we have just press the enter button. Okay, again I will show, hold down the left button, drag by the mouse, scroller of the mouse, like this. Okay, so this is called as a dropping and dropping method. This is one of the method. Second method, one more method is there. Even you can use a Control X also. Control X, cut the text. And last method, again select a whole text and use a Control V. This is also one of the best method to shift the to enter the keys and to edit the text. Okay. Again, I will repeat. First, select a particular text. Just double click on that text or use shift arrow keys like this. Okay, Control X. Again, select a particular text by shift arrow keys and Control V, Control plus V. So Control X, Control plus X for cut the text, Control plus V for the pasting the text. So this is also one of the best method, Control X, Control V, to shift the whole text or editing a text. So this is our 4 methods we have seen. Okay. Control A, then shift arrow keys, then double click, and 4th method we have seen, Control X, selection of text, and final Control V. So this is one of the 4th important method. Control X for cut the text, then selection of particular text where you want to cut and paste the text, and finally press the Control V to paste that text. Okay, these are the 4 basic methods to enter the text or an editing of the text. Thank you very much.